Today we have another fish finder on the bench, a Lowrance HDS9. Customer complaint is backlight's not working. We did test this just now and confirm backlight is indeed not working. So we have the board out here. This is the backlight section of the board right here. This is the backlight controller. This is that schottky diode that we've seen in the past on other HDS9s fail, and once this fails, it takes out the backlight completely. We still get the incoming voltages coming into this backlight circuit. The unit's operating properly, except obviously the backlight isn't working. So we tested this schottky diode right before we put on the video, and it does appear to be defective. So we're going to pop this guy off, put a new one in its place, and give it a test. So we replaced that schottky diode, and we're going to fire this thing up, see if it resolved the issue. Looks like it. So this is another case of that schottky diode in the backlight section of the board failing, causing the backlight to go out. Just take a few seconds, let this thing start. Excellent, here we go. So another HDS9 repaired, ready to put back together here. We still have the back off. Hopefully the customer's happy. And just something to look out for. If you get backlight issues, backlight's out, obviously you check the normal stuff, make sure your backlight is actually turned all the way up. Check that schottky diode on the back side of the board. We found a couple cases like this one where that actually shorts, it fails, and takes out the backlight. Alright guys, if you have any other electronic devices you need repaired, not only do we repair fish finders, Lowrance, Garmin, we repair all electronic devices. So anything you have that might need some work done or tweaking, we even do custom projects. So we've done some very interesting things in the past for customers. Don't think it's too small or too large or too crazy. Go to www.rudolphrepairs.com and fill out the free estimate form. Shoot us an email, rudolphrepairs@gmail.com. We're looking forward to talking to you guys.